Mastering the Art of Debate, Tips for Teens to Dominate Any Discussion. What's up, everyone? Today we've got a game changer for all you teenagers out there: how to dominate any debate. Whether you're in a classroom, at a family gathering, or just chatting with friends, these tactics will help you own the stage. So, let's dive into the world of debate domination. First up, let me take you back to a time when I had to debate a hot topic in school. The key to success? Preparation. Know your facts, understand the topic inside out, and anticipate counterarguments. When you're armed with knowledge, you exude confidence, and that's half the battle won. Before the debate, thoroughly research the topic and anticipate potential counterarguments. Knowing your material inside out boosts your confidence and helps you respond calmly when challenged. Understand that challenges and opposing viewpoints are part of any debate. Mentally prepare yourself for the possibility of tough questions or objections. This mindset can reduce anxiety when pressure arises. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your preparation, knowledge, and ability to handle challenges. Positive self-talk can be a powerful tool for maintaining a calm and confident demeanor. Imagine this: you're in a room full of people, all eyes on you. To dominate a debate, you need to captivate your audience. Share relatable stories, use vivid examples, and inject some passion into your words. I once debated about the importance of environmental conservation and shared a personal story about a beach cleanup. The impact? The audience was hooked. Now, debates can get intense. Picture this: you're making a strong point, and suddenly, someone challenges you. It's crucial to stay calm under pressure. Take a deep breath, acknowledge their point, and respond with confidence. I learned this during a debate about social issues when someone questioned my stance. Instead of getting flustered, I stayed calm, presented my perspective, and won over the crowd. When you feel pressure mounting, take a moment for deep, controlled breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This simple technique helps calm your nervous system and centers your focus. When under pressure, it's essential to actively listen to the opposing arguments or challenges. This not only demonstrates respect for the other person's viewpoint, but also gives you time to gather your thoughts before responding. View challenges as opportunities for growth rather than threats. Adopting a growth mindset allows you to see pressure as a chance to improve your skills and resilience in the art of debating. Body language speaks volumes. During a debate, your gestures, posture, and facial expressions can reinforce your arguments. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use expressive gestures to emphasize key points. I once debated the merits of school uniforms and made sure my body language reflected my conviction. It made a significant impact on how my arguments were perceived. Your body language influences your mindset. Stand or sit up straight, keep your shoulders back, and make deliberate, controlled movements. Confident posture not only makes you appear more composed, but also signals to your brain that you are in control. The art of rebuttal, a true debate master's weapon. One powerful tip for winning a rebuttal during a debate is to actively listen and strategically address key points made by your opponent. Listen to opposing arguments, and when it's your moment, deliver a well-thought-out rebuttal. I vividly remember a debate about technology in education where a counterargument caught me off guard. But by embracing the art of rebuttal, I turned the tables and strengthened my position. Start your rebuttal by acknowledging any valid point your opponent has made. This demonstrates fairness and objectivity, showing that you are not dismissing their entire argument but engaging in a thoughtful discussion. Pinpoint any contradictions, inconsistencies, or weaknesses in your opponent's arguments. Be specific and use evidence or examples to support your counterpoints. This not only strengthens your position but also highlights the flaws in their reasoning. If possible, introduce new evidence or examples that support your position. This not only reinforces your points, but also adds depth to your rebuttal, making it more compelling. Keep your rebuttal concise and to the point. Avoid unnecessary details and focus on the most critical aspects. A clear and impactful rebuttal is more likely to resonate with the audience and judges. Lastly, know when to wrap it up. In debates, less is often more. Conclude with a powerful summary of your main points and leave a lasting impression. End your debate with a strong closing statement that reinforces your position and leaves a lasting impression. This is your final opportunity to solidify your stance and persuade the audience of the strength of your arguments. Take the opportunity to reframe the debate in your favor. Clarify your stance, emphasize the strengths of your arguments, and show how your perspective aligns better with the overall theme or goal of the debate. And there you have it, how to dominate any debate. Whether you're in the classroom or on a stage, these tactics will elevate your speaking game. The more you practice debating in various scenarios, the more comfortable and composed you'll become under pressure. Simulate challenging situations during your practice sessions to build resilience and confidence. Remember, staying calm under pressure is a skill that develops over time with practice and experience. Embrace each debate as a chance to refine this skill and continually improve your ability to navigate challenging situations with composure. Remember, effective debate requires a combination of strategic thinking, active listening, and confident delivery. By carefully addressing your opponent's points while reinforcing your own, you can significantly increase your chances of winning the debate. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content, and share your own debate experiences in the comments below. Until next time, go out there, own the stage, and dominate those debates. See you, guys.